अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में आपके साथ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट 1000 से ज़्यादा के PPSC के पास पेपर्स के को डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ, जो आने वाले तमाम पेपर्स के लिए इंतहाई अहम हैं। वीडियो को गौर से देखें और जिन लोगों ने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि इस तरह के इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोज़ आप तक बर वक्त पहुँचती रहें। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन अ पर्सन इज किल्ड बाय हिज ब्रदर इज कॉल्ड एज। करेक्ट आंसर इज फ्रैक्टिसाइड। Next one is that heart attack is caused due to. Correct answer is cholesterol. Next one is the current flow means. Correct answer is flow of electron. Next one is what is freezing point of water. Correct answer is 0 degree. Next one is when Muslim League came into being. Correct answer is 1906. Next one is what will happen if ozone layer disappear. Correct answer is ultraviolet rays reach Earth. Next one is Brahma Samaj was founded in. Correct answer is 1828. Next one is the most efficient engine is. Correct answer is electric engine. Next one is how many times do the hands of clock coincide in a day. Correct answer is 22 times. Next one is the smallest planet in our solar system. Correct answer is Mercury. Next one is how many Olympic record does Usain Bolt have? Correct answer is 3 titles. Next one is a brief history of the time is written by. Correct answer is Stephen Hawking. Next one is the Urusul Quran is another name of. Correct answer is Surah Rahman. Next one is who is the author of book Principia Mathematica. Correct answer is Isaac Newton. Next one is in what respect human beings are superior to computer. Correct answer is in intelligence human beings are superior to computer. Next one is the permanent hardness of water may be removed by addition of. Correct answer is sodium carbonate. Next one is the Pakistan is a bridge state between. Correct answer is South Asia and Central Asia. Next one is who won the first FIFA World Cup. Correct answer is Uruguay. Next one is Nelson Mandela was released from prison in. Correct answer is 1990. Next one is the cell entry July 16, 1982 will be considered a dash by Excel sheet. Correct answer is value. Next one is what is Ireland currency card. Correct answer is Euro. Next one is the first movement launched against British in India was. Correct answer is Swadeshi movement. Next one is the first Urdu newspaper published after the creation of Pakistan was. Correct answer is Imroz. Next one is the Ghazwa Furqan is the name for. Correct answer is Ghazwa Badr. Next one is what was the real name of Hazrat Abu Bakr Radhiyallahu anhu. Correct answer is Abdullah. Next one is the biggest hockey stadium in Pakistan is located in. Correct answer is in Lahore. Next one is the current state of Louisiana was purchased by the USA from. Correct answer is France. Next one is the iodine was discovered by. Correct answer is B. Curitius. Next one is the headquarters of World Bank is in. Correct answer is headquarters of World Bank in Washington DC. Next one is a notebook pad in a computer can be used for. Correct answer is for text. Next one is who invented a system of reading and writing for the blind. Correct answer is Louis Braille. Next one is complete the series 5, 9, 17 and 33 and next number is. Correct answer is 65. Next one is where 7 Mile Beach is located. Correct answer is Gaman Island. Next one is who is considered as iconic squash player of Pakistan. Correct answer is Hashim Khan. Next one is Bambur is an incident city located in. Correct answer is in Sindh. Next one is which of the following is known as the city of saints. Correct answer is Multan. Next answer, the zakat is to be paid on total amount at the rate of. Correct answer is 1 over 40 or 2.5%. Next answer, Siam is the old name of. Correct answer is Thailand. Next answer, the last Governor General of Pakistan was. Correct answer is Iskandar Mirza. Next answer, what is the chemical name of bleaching powder? Correct answer is calcium hypochlorite. Next answer, the height of K2 is. Correct answer is 8,611 meter. Next answer, simplify 5 plus 2 multiply 6 divided by 3 under bracket 2. Correct answer is 7. Next answer, 7589 minus dash is equal to 3434. Correct answer is when we subtract 4155 from 7589, then correct answer is 3434. Next answer, the province with longest coastline is. Correct answer is Balochistan. Next answer, in which country are the Sundarban forests located? Correct answer is Bangladesh. Next answer, 10 Downing Street is the official residence of. Correct answer is British Prime Minister. Next answer, in 1985, a Pakistani became the Secretary General of OIC. His name was. Correct answer is Sharifuddin Pirzada. Next answer, in India, Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor. Correct answer is Shah Jahan. Next answer, where was the headquarters of the League of Nations situated? Correct answer is Geneva. Next answer, if 7 divided by 21 of a number is 6, what is 14 divided by 21 of the number? Correct answer is 12. Next answer, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was founded in 1932 by. Correct answer is Muhammad bin Saud. Next answer, in the 16th century, Argentina was colonized by. Correct answer is Spain. Next answer, Sharmeen Obaid Chinoy is famous for. Correct answer is documentary films. Next answer, which of the following is not an Olympic sport? Correct answer is squash. Next answer, the Museum of Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti is located in. Correct answer is Ajmer Sharif. Next answer, the line of control came into existence in. Correct answer is 1972. Next answer, Tashkent Peg was signed by Ayub Khan and Shastri on. Correct answer is 10th January 1966. Next answer, the first SARC summit was held at Dash. Correct answer is Dhaka. Next answer, Asmara is the capital of Dash. Correct answer is Eritrea. Next answer, the Addis Ababa is the capital city of Dash. Correct answer is Ethiopia. Next answer, the Victoria's humor, Syria and iris are the part of which human organ? Correct answer is eye. Next answer, the Morocco and Spain are separated by. Correct answer is Strait of Gibraltar. Next answer, what is the shortcut key for page break in MS Word? Correct answer is Control plus Enter. Next answer, what is meant by Allah attribute Al-Bari? Correct answer is the Maker. Next answer, the first Ashra of Ramzan is called. Correct answer is Ashra Rahmat. Next answer, what is the average of all prime number between 30 to 50? Correct answer is 39.8. Next answer, the synonym of coagulate. Correct answer is mix. Next answer, the synonym of banish. Correct answer is exile. Next answer, complete the series 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16 and dash. Correct answer is 22. Next answer, if 35 laborers dig 805 cubic meter of earth in 5 hours, how much the earth will 30 labor dig in 6 hours? Correct answer is 828 meter per square. Next answer, 30% of 10 is equal to 0.3% of dash. Correct answer is 1000. Next answer, which of the following keyboard shortcut is used reverse the last action in MS Word? Correct answer is Control plus Z. Next answer, the neighboring country of Pakistan is the landlocked country. Correct answer is Afghanistan. Next answer, pick out the serial number of Surah Maryam in the 114 Surah of the Holy Quran. Correct answer is 19 number. Next one, the headquarters of the World Trade Organization is located in. Correct answer is Geneva. Next one, who is known as Adam Sani. Adam Sani. Correct answer is Hazrat Knwoledge. Next one, the Blue Mosque or Mosque of Sultan Ahmad is located in. Correct answer is Istanbul. Next one, 10 Downing Street is the official residence of. Correct answer is British Prime Minister. Next one, in which river of Pakistan are the endangered species blind dolphin found? Correct answer is Indus River. Next one, the blood cells are produced by in the human body. Correct answer is bone marrow. Next one, which gas is commonly used in balloon and airships? Correct answer is helium. Next one, the human heart consists of how many chambers? Correct answer is 4 chambers. Next one, the Ryder Cup belong to? Correct answer is golf sport. Next one, which one is the capital city of Canada? Correct answer is Ottawa. Next one, which of the following file has the MPG extension? Correct answer is video. Next one, the Ladyfinger Peak is located in. Correct answer is Pakistan. Next one, the synonym of diligent. Correct answer is hard working. Next one, the which surah of the Holy Quran throw light on the halal and haram of sacrificial animal? Correct answer is Surah Maida. Next one, which is the second pillar of Islam? Correct answer is Salat. Next one, the computer cannot function without. Correct answer is without operating system. Next one, how many round table conferences were attended by Allama Iqbal? Correct answer is 2. Next one, what is the old capital of Kazakhstan? Correct answer is Almaty. Next one, when was Lahore High Court established? Correct answer is 1919. Next one, what is the full form of Wi-Fi? Correct answer is wireless fidelity. Next one, the Arch of Genus is located in country. Correct answer is Italy. Next one, the Wakhan corridor located to the north of Pakistan belong to. Correct answer is Afghanistan. Next one, Danish war fought in. Correct answer is 1864. Next one, the lighthouse of Alexandria is among the 7 wonder of the world located in. Correct answer is Egypt. Next one, what is the sum of all prime numbers from 60 to 80? Correct answer is 351. Next one, which city is called Gateway of Pakistan? Correct answer is Karachi. Next one, the national anthem Pakistan was approved by the government in. Correct answer is 1954. Next one, Quaid-e-Azam meet M.K. Gandhi for the first time in 1916 at. Correct answer is at Lucknow. Next one, Mohtarama Fatima Jinnah joined All India Muslim League in. Correct answer is 1937. Next one, what is the length of Great Wall of China? Correct answer is 24,196 km. Next one, the Thomas Cup is given for the game of. Correct answer is badminton. Next one, which was the first missile launched by Pakistan? Correct answer is Hataf 1. Next one, which is the largest gland in the human body? Correct answer is liver. Next one, the Pakistan become a member of International Labour Organization in. Correct answer is 1947. Next one, the Rawal Dam was built in 1962 on Dash River. Correct answer is Kurang. Next one, the Chandka Medical College is located at. Correct answer is Ladkana. Next one, which of the following vitamins overdose can cause kidney damage? Correct answer is vitamins D. Next one, the Bathar is the news agency of. Correct answer is Afghanistan. Next one, the largest producer of natural gas in the Muslim world is. Correct answer is Iran. Next one, the largest country by population in Africa is. Correct answer is Nigeria. Next one, the world oldest national anthem is of. Correct answer is Japan. Next one, the cause of malaria was discovered by. Correct answer is Ronald Ross. Next one, the Pakistan-Afghanistan border during line was drawn in. Correct answer is 1893. Next one, the Punjab size in the total land mass of Pakistan is. Correct answer is 28.5%. Next MQ, the world largest island is. Correct answer is Greenland. Next MQ, the highest literacy rate among the SAR countries in. Correct answer is Maldives. Next MQ, the digital computer was invented by. Correct answer is Howard Hacken. Next MQ, the OPEC largest oil producing country is. Correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Next MQ, in which language the Holy Quran was first translated. Correct answer is Latin. Next MQ, the branch of science we deal with the structure of animal and plant. Correct answer is anatomy. Next MQ, the shortest bone in a human body is. Correct answer is stapes. Next MQ, the largest cell in the human body is. Correct answer is female egg. Next MQ, name of the first cloned sheep. Correct answer is Dolly. Next MQ, which country has no railway? Correct answer is Afghanistan. Next MQ, deficiency of iron in human diet causes. Correct answer is anemia. Next MQ, leukemia is a disease of dash. Correct answer is blood. Next MQ, which is the Britain's oldest university? Correct answer is Oxford. Next MQ, rickets is a disease of the dash. Correct answer is bone. Next MQ, penicillin was invented by. Correct answer is Alexander Fleming. Next MQ, who invented the polio vaccine? Correct answer is Jonas Salk. Next MQ, citrus fruits are considered rich vitamins. Correct answer is vitamin C. Next MQ, which of the following vitamin is produced in the human body with the help of sunlight? Correct answer is vitamin D. Next MQ, the longest and the strongest bone in the human body. Correct answer is femur. Next MQ, which of the following lake is called paradise of birds? Correct answer is Halaji Lake. Next MQ, the Victoria is the name of waterfall where it is situated. Correct answer is Zimbabwe. Next MQ, the internet mostly uses for the purpose of. Correct answer is email. Next MQ, the second largest search engine of the internet is. Correct answer is Yahoo. Next MQ, the highest building of Pakistan is. Correct answer is Icon Tower. Next MQ, the Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar is buried at. Correct answer is Baitul Maqdis. Next MQ, temperature is measured using a dash. Correct answer is thermometer. Next MQ, in which city is the famous Wazir Khan Mosque located? Correct answer is Lahore. Next MQ, which number complete the number series 2, 5, 12, 23, 38 and 57 and dash? Correct answer is 80. Next MQ, what was the dictator of Czech from 1933 to 1945? Correct answer is Adolf Hitler. Next MQ, the first census of Pakistan took place in. Correct answer is 1951. Next MQ, the quick time is a dash. Correct answer is media player. Next MQ, the Hijaz mountain are found in. Correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Next MQ, the Maulana Yusufzai graduated from which university? Correct answer is Oxford. Next MQ, the how many times did Muhammad peace be upon him perform Hajj? Correct answer is only one. Next MQ, which country accepted Pakistan first? Correct answer is Iran. Next MQ, what does Travi mean? Correct answer is to rest. Next MQ, when was Fort William College established? Correct answer is in 1800. Next MQ, the currency of Sri Lanka is. Correct answer is Sri Lankan rupee. Next MQ, what is the synonym of poultry? Correct answer is insignificant. Next MQ, the Yellow River is also called. Correct answer is Dihang. Next MQ, the battle in which Holy Prophet, peace be upon, not participated is known as. Correct answer is Saria. Next MQ, the study of tissue is called. Correct answer is histology. Next MQ, the Pakistan and India together host the World Cup in which year? Correct answer is 1987. Next MQ, the year of death of Tehzeeb ul Hukam writer is. Correct answer is 460 Hijri. Next MQ, what was the title of Allama Iqbal PhD thesis? Correct answer is the development of metaphysics in Persia. Next MQ, Dr. Abdul Salam won the Nobel Prize for the subject of. Correct answer is physics. Next MQ, the amendment military code period. Correct answer is 2. Next one, what is the opposite of egregious? Correct answer is marvelous. Next one, take it out. Correct answer is let it to be taken out. Next one, put into meaning. Correct answer is speeding time. Next one, put up with meaning. Correct answer is tolerate. Next one, the idiom to bury the head mean. Correct answer is to agree to end the quarrel. Next one, the what when an organism is eradicated from the earth, it is known as. Correct answer is extinct. Next one, the normal blood pressure is. Correct answer is 120/80 mmHg. Next one, the all spherical devices connected with. Correct answer is motherboard. Next one, the what is trying to defend you there? What is who? Correct answer is interrogative pronoun. Next one, she is living alone, so dash to look after dash. Correct answer is no one and her. Next one, the main role in the drama Waris is acted by. Correct answer is Abid Ali. Next one, Baba Farid Gunshakar belong to. Correct answer is Chishti. Next one, the Blue Lagoon Island is located. Correct answer is southwest. Next one, which crop required high temperature, light rainfall or irrigation, 210 free days and bright sunlight for its growth. Correct answer is cotton. Next one, when Shinto stand for. Correct answer is Central Territory Organization. Next one, Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front wants. Correct answer is liberation from both Pakistan and India. Next one, cyclone in Australia are known as. Correct answer is known. Next one, on which agreement Muslim League, Congress and Sikhs agree with Lord Mountbatten. Correct answer is India Independence Act 1947. Next one, duarchy in subcontinent is introduced by. Correct answer is Indian government. Next one, sport such as netball, football and hockey involve which skill? Correct answer is open skill. Next one, what is the effect on boiling water? Correct answer is air pressure. Next one, who abrogated 1956 Constitution? Correct answer is Iskandar Mirza. Next one, the World War I started in. Correct answer is 1916. In 1914. Next one, Dr. Abdul Salam won the Nobel Prize for Pakistan in the subject of. Correct answer is physics. Next one, in which year Urdu Hindi controversy was started? Correct answer is 1867. Next one, the North Atlantic Treaty NATO was signed in. Correct answer is 1949. Next one, the world highest mountain is in. Correct answer is Nepal. Next one, the Soviet Union was dissolved in. Correct answer is 1991. Next one, how many judges are member of the International Court of Justice? Correct answer is 15. Next one, the Hanan Lake is located in. Correct answer is Balochistan. Next one, the retirement age of Supreme Court judge is. Correct answer is 65 years. Next one, what was the nationality of Alfred Nobel? Correct answer is Swedish. Next one, Qaid-e-Azam joined All India Muslim League in. Correct answer is 1913. Next one, length of Pak-Afghan border is 2252 km. Next one, in which year Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established the MAO College? Correct answer is 1877. Next one, the dash gas is used to make soda water. Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Next one, at night plant intake. Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Next one, who is the Chief Minister of Sindh? Correct answer is Murad Ali Shah. Next one, in which shortcut key will be used to close web browser? Correct answer is Alt plus F4. Next one, the first summit of SAARC was held in. Correct answer is Dhaka. Next one, who was first Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next one, javelin prisoner are under the age of. Correct answer is under 18 years. Next one, the Pakistan Steel Mill Karachi was founded with the cooperation of. Correct answer is Russia. Next one, the first movement launched against British in India was. Correct answer is Swadeshi movement. Next one to the Lori Pass connect Peshawar with. Correct answer is Chitral. Next one to the Big Apple is the nickname of. Correct answer is New York. Next one to the what is the full form of LAN. Correct answer is Local Area Network. Next one to the capital of Saudi Arabia is. Correct answer is Riyadh. Next one to the Suez Canal is in. Correct answer is Egypt. Next one to the earth is divided into dash continent. Correct answer is 7 continent. Next one to the when was Balochistan given the provincial status. Correct answer is 1970. Next one to the Emirates is an airline of. Correct answer is UAE. Next one to the smallest sea of the world is. Correct answer is Baltic Sea. Next one to the biggest island in the world is. Correct answer is Greenland. Next one to the German attack on Poland was immediate cause of. Correct answer is World War II. Next one to the Kimai Sadat was written by. Correct answer is Imam Ghazali. Next one to the Zakat Kaleen or. Correct answer is wealth. Next one to the bridge in Istanbul that connect Asia with Europe is called. Correct answer is Bosporus Bridge. Next one to the Doklam is disputed between which of the following two countries. Correct answer is China and Bhutan. Next one to the what is the motto of Red Cross. Correct answer is charity in war. Next one to the Mustafa Kemal Ataturk was a famous reformer belonged to. Correct answer is Turkey. Next one to the Blue Mosque or the Mosque of Sultan Ahmad is located in. Correct answer is Istanbul. Next one to the which country introduced Nokia mobile. Correct answer is Finland. Next one to the which gas was commonly used in airships. Correct answer is helium. Next one to the human heart comprises how many chambers. Correct answer is 4. Next one the capital of Italy is. Correct answer is Rome. Next one to the Muslim Bagh which is famous for Chromite is located in. Correct answer is KPK. Next one to which one is the following passes connect Peshawar with Chitral. Correct answer is Malakand Pass. Next one in Pakistan from where gas was discovered at first. Correct answer is at Sudy. Next one who was the first captain of Pakistan cricket team. Correct answer is Hafiz Kardar. Next one in Balochistan the number of rivers is. Correct answer is 7 rivers. Next one the Pakistan become the member of ILO. Correct answer is 1947. Next one newspaper Zimidar was started by. Correct answer is Zafar Ali Khan. Next one Qaddam joined the Muslim League in which year? Correct answer is 1913. Next one the how many hadiths were quoted by Hazrat Abu Huraira radhiyallahu anhu? Correct answer is 5374. Next one in which year did the tragedy of Karbala take place? Correct answer is 61 Hijri. Next one a quantity which does not change is called. Correct answer is constant. Next one when was Holy Prophet peace be upon was burned? Correct answer is 571 AD. Next one which is the first revealed surah? Correct answer is Surah Alaq. Next one agreement of Hudaybiyah made for how many years? Correct answer is 10. Next one which is the second pillar of Islam? Correct answer is Salat. Next one Hazrat Usman radhiyallahu belonged to which tribe? Correct answer is Umayyah. Next one who was the first male to embrace Islam? Correct answer is Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu. Next one which among the following is called key to paradise? Correct answer is Salat. Next one we cannot get dash the house without a key. Correct answer is into. Next one I am sure dash money these days. Correct answer is off. Next one you must dash your work before 2. Correct answer is finish. Next one Shakib has rupees 75. He gave 20% of it to as Alam. The remaining amount is. Correct answer is 60. Next one in MS PowerPoint F5 is used for. Correct answer is for slideshow. Next one which of the following bar is not available in MS Word? Correct answer is formula bar. Next one the control plus X in MS Word used for. Correct answer is cut. Next one Muslim general who can conquer Sindh was. Correct answer is nephew of Hajjaj bin Yusuf. Next one which area of Pakistan has biggest deposit of copper? Correct answer is Chaghi. Next one the Mangla Dam was constructed on the river. Correct answer is Jhelum. Next one who does not keep a promise has no dash. Correct answer is faith. Next one how many times Pakistan won the Hockey World Cup? Correct answer is 4 times. Next time the peak period of Pakistan film industry was. Correct answer is 1960. Next one, the word jihad is derived from the. Correct answer is jahada. Next one, find out the wrong term in the following series: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 96. Correct answer is 96 is wrong. Next one, 3 candle cost 75 paisas. How much 8 candle cost? Correct answer is 2 rupees. Next one, choose the best same meaning of popular. Correct answer is famous. Next one, the antonym of unreal is. Correct answer is genuine. Next one, the birds dash in a search of food before the sun rose. Correct answer is had gone. Next one is you must dash your work before 2. Correct answer is finish. Next one is Kajazam resigned from Congress in the year. Correct answer is 1922. Next one is Sachin Glacier is located. Next one is air below airline belong to which country? Correct answer is Pakistan. Next one is the country city constructed on the bank of the river Thalares is. Correct answer is Baghdad. Next one, name the Mughal king who died in 1707. Correct answer is Aurangzeb. Next one, the Pharaoh of Alexandria is located in. Correct answer is Egypt. Next one, who wrote Sasipunu story? Correct answer is Hashim Shah. Next one, the penicillin was discovered by. Correct answer is Alexander Fleming. Next one, when was the Pakistan first Constitution Assembly constituted? Correct answer is 12th July 1947. Next one, which continent has no desert? Correct answer is Europe. Next one, the Arena airline is an airline of. Correct answer is Afghanistan. Next one, the Marco Polo was a famous. Correct answer is traveler. Next one, Freedom Air is the name of airline of. Correct answer is New Zealand. Next one, the largest reserve of fresh water on the earth surface is located in. Correct answer is North America. Next one, which is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Correct answer is Brazil. Next one, which is the largest producer of diamonds in the world? Correct answer is Russia. Next one, the highest lake in the world is. Correct answer is Lake Titicaca. Next one, the first nuclear device was tested in. Correct answer is 1945. Next one, the Chashma nuclear power plant was built with the help of. Correct answer is China. Next one, which city is called City of Parks? Correct answer is Kiev. Next one, what is the total length of coastal line of Pakistan? Correct answer is 1046 km. Next one, the military and politics in Pakistan is written by. Correct answer is Hassan Askari. Next one, the headquarters of Council of the European Union is located in. Correct answer is Brussels. Next one, which is the largest sea in the world? Correct answer is South China Sea. Next one, in America history, only president who give resign. Correct answer is Richard Nixon. Next one, World Environmental Day is observed on. Correct answer is 5th June. Next one, MAD is the name of secret agency of. Correct answer is Germany. Next one, who was the first Asian to have received the Nobel Prize? Correct answer is R.N. Tagore. Next one, where was Albert Einstein born? Correct answer is Germany. Next one, Ziana is a news agency of. Correct answer is Zimbabwe. Next one, Rohtas Fort is located in the district. Correct answer is Jhelum. Next one, the Latani River is located in. Correct answer is Lebanon. Next one, the Qajar became the permanent president of Muslim League. Correct answer is in 1934. Next one, Decline of the West book was written by German philosopher. Correct answer is Spengler. Next one, name the German scientist who invented the atomic bomb. Correct answer is Ahan Otto. Next one, kilogram are there in 1 metric ton. Correct answer is 1000 kgs. Next one, who was the first and the last woman ruler of Delhi? Correct answer is Razia Sultana. Next one, the British Parliament announced the Independence Act on. Correct answer is 18 July 1947. Next one, the Nisab of Zakat is. Correct answer is 2.5%. Next one, the atmospheric pressure at any place is measured by. Correct answer is barometer. Next one, the narrow stripe in Afghanistan that separate Pakistan from Tajikistan is called. Correct answer is Wakhan Corridor. Next one, make adverb of happy. Correct answer is happily. Next one, correct spelling. Correct answer is characteristics. Next time the enzyme are made of. Correct answer is protein. Next time the oxygen supply in the body through. Correct answer is blood stream. Next time the adverb of time is. Correct answer is today. Next time identify the type of adverb of the underlined word. Why do not you listen to your teacher attentively in class? Correct answer is adverb of reason. Next time identify the type of verb of the following underlined word. The cat fur feels silky. Correct answer is transit verb. Next time identify the countable noun. Correct answer is soap. Next time identify the type of underlined clause. The land gets wet when it rains. Correct answer is subordinate clause. Next time the Doha agreement was signed between US and Taliban in. Correct answer is April 2020. Next time what is meant by forefathers? Correct answer is ancestors. Next time which of the following is an agency of UN that lead international effort to defeat hunger and improve nutrition and food security? Correct answer is Food and Agriculture Organization of UN. Next time which of the following is not paper size? Correct answer is landscape. Next time the Aisha Malik has been appointed as dash. Correct answer is first female of Supreme Court. Next time Iraq invaded Kuwait on. Correct answer is 2 August 1990. Next time Yemen crisis started in. Correct answer is 2011. Next time identify the neuter gender from the given noun. Correct answer is computer. Next time I can't find my glasses. Dash are they. Correct answer is where. Next time identify the figure of speech in the sentence. Correct answer is he is as fast as a lion. Next time find the blank. Which adjective of courage? Pakistan is known as for its dash army. Correct answer is courageous army. Next time select the correct punctuation mark to fill in the blank. The X dash manager help us understand this document. Correct answer is happen. नेक्स्ट टाइम क्यों वो पिछले साल इंग्लैंड गई, इसमें साल क्या है? करेक्ट आंसर है इसम ज़र्फ़ मकान है. नेक्स्ट टाइम के मूसा कलीमुल्लाह में कलीमुल्लाह क्या है? करेक्ट आंसर इज लकब. नेक्स्ट टाइम के शादीशुदा जानी की सज़ा. करेक्ट आंसर है रिहाम. नेक्स्ट टाइम क्यों what is used in the Solvay process? Correct answer is limestone. Next one, margarine made up through which? Correct answer is both. Next one, the largest gland in the human body is? Correct answer is liver. Next one, Reuters is the news agency of? Correct answer is England. Next one, the FIR is abbreviation of? Correct answer is First Information Report. Next one, the horsepower is a standard unit of power equal to? Correct answer is 746 watts. Next one, who was the first Muslim ruler of Indian subcontinent? Correct answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Next one, at 12 o'clock noon Pakistan Standard Time, the time in London shall be? Correct answer is 7 a.m. Next one, the headquarters of UN World Food Program is situated at? Correct answer is Rome. Next one, which of the following item is a source of protein? Correct answer is meat. Next time, beer is a currency of? Correct answer is Ethiopia. Next time, SARC Human Resources Development Center is located at? Correct answer is Islamabad. Next time, Mopla Revolt took place in the year? Correct answer is 1921. Next time, when was first census was conducted in Pakistan? Correct answer is 1951. Next time, who is the founder of Wikipedia? Correct answer is Jimmy Wales. Next time, which organ of human purify the blood? Correct answer is kidney. Next time, Scotland Yard headquarters is located in the city? Correct answer is London. Next time, in which province of Pakistan there is no desert? Correct answer is KPK. Next time, the shortest day is? Correct answer is 22 December. Next time, poor night vision is because of lack of? Correct answer is vitamins A. Next time, the rickets is disease of? Correct answer is bones. Next time, the number of bones in the human body are approximately? Correct answer is 206. Next time, India consists of how many states? Correct answer is 28. Next time, who invented the paper? Correct answer is Chinese. Next time, 1 over 0.04 is equal to? Correct answer is 25. Next time, a train move with a speed of 108 km per hour. Its speed in meter per second is? Correct answer is 30. Next time, which region of Punjab has largest नंबर ऑफ प्रेजेंट्स, करेक्ट आंसर इज मुल्तान। अगर हमारी वीडियो पसंद है ये वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि इस तरह की इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आप तक बर वक्त पहुँचती रहें। दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर किया करें ताकि उनकी इन्फॉर्मेशन में भी इजाफा होता रहे। कोई भी मालूमात चाहिए, कोई भी पेपर की इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो कमेंट में ज़रूर आगाह करें। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं नई इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए